What if I told you you don't need to learn how to write a single line of code to create a website in 2026? And I'm going to be proving it right now by creating a website in under 15 minutes for a chiropractor business. I'm going to be showing you my full workflow on how I build a website from start to finish and what sections to include to make sure you get the most conversions and traffic to your website. I'm going to be showing you how to build a chiropractor website in under 15 minutes. So the website we want to use is Lovable. It's lovable.dev. That's a URL to go into it. And if you've used ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or any other AI models out there, it's going to be the same exact way to use Lovable. So it has this chat option here where you can just type in exactly what you want your website to be. And you can type it in. I like to use the voice option, so I just have to speak and it's going to type in and create the website I want. So I click here. I want to create a website for a chiropractor in Boston. This is a women-owned business, and I want to list options of different services that we provide. I want to also have an option for people to book directly onto my website, like a Calendly embedded option. And I want to also include multiple testimonials and before and after pictures. So you just click that and then it's going to transcribe everything we just said. If you want to add any specific theme or design to it, you can also add that in. So I want this website to be modern and minimalistic, and I want it to have a sage green theme. So you're just going to click send, and then it's going to take it in here. Then Lovable is going to go through, it's going to go on for a couple minutes, and then it's going to start designing the website for us in just a few minutes. So you can see on here as it's thinking through everything, and it's working through all the different sections of the website, like the hero sections, the services, the Calendly embed that we asked about, testimonials before and after, and a footer for our contact information. So we also picked up the design that we wanted to have a sage green colors, and then now it's editing the website for us to have. So in a few minutes, we're gonna have it ready. Right now it's 8:20, and it's in just a few minutes, it's 8:20 as you can see here, and then we're gonna time it and see how long it's gonna take for it to build this website for us. As it's building the website, I want to include these 8 essential sections. So I want to have the menu bar, which includes the logos. I want to have the hero section where I talk about exactly what we do, how we're different, and how to get started. I want to have a main offer or our services on here. I want to have our offer and benefits. In our case, we're just going to have services, and then I also want to have that upfront. And then I also want to include our social proof, which was our testimonials and before and after pictures, and the call to action, which is our booking link that allows people to book directly into our website, which allows people to book appointments directly by themselves through our website. So, and it also has the footer, which you can include logos, social media accounts, addresses, and all of that. So This is my framework on how I build websites. I also have a link to my ebook. I also have a link to my website checklist, which is free. You can get it down below in the descriptions to know all the sections to include when designing your website. So now going back, right now it's 8:23. So in 3 minutes, we now have our full website built for us. So we can actually preview it right here on the right side. It's called Boston Align. If you want to change it, you can change it. Just type it in the chat and change it. It has the about, services, results, testimonials, book now. So you can see in just 3 minutes, we've been able to build a really good looking website. So it has an about section, it's about the doctor, and then it has the list of services that it provide, like spinal adjustments, sports, chiropractic, prenatal, migraines, wellness programs, all these cool stuff. And then also has before and after pictures, which was what we wanted to show the transformation of how people were when they started working with us and after working with us. We also have the testimonials that we wanted to include, which is, you can see them right here. We have like 4 different testimonials, and then we also have a section for people to book in here. So we have this, you can literally just copy paste your Calendly link or whatever CRM or booking software you use. You can select the link and drop it in the chat, and it's going to directly embed it on your website. So as you can see, after that, we also have the contact section, which includes the address, the phone number, email, and working hours. So in 3 minutes, we've been able to build a whole website. So right here, the only issue I see right now is that our Calendly booking option is not working. So what I want to do is go to your calendar tool. I use cal.com, which is free. So you just create an account. So I have like a 30-minute meeting. You just have to click here to copy the link, and you go back into Lovable. You just have to paste it in this chat and just say, embed this as my booking link. You just have to go and copy in here in the chat and just say that you embed this as my booking link, and just copy paste your link in the chat right here and just send it. So it'll take a couple seconds to a couple minutes to embed our link into our website. So as you saw right now, in just a few seconds, literally less than a minute, I've been able to embed my calendar booking link into my website in under a minute. So this is great if you use Calendly or whatever other tool used for booking appointments. People can select them directly on your website and book a time to speak with you or work with you. And right here, you can see that we're in the preview mode. You can also go to the, if you want to change the colors or the design, like fonts, all you have to do is click this design button, go to themes, and you can see that it has multiple different color schemes to it. So you can go through and select a color or a theme that you want to use. And if you want to change the fonts as well, you just have to click edit here, go to typography, and you can select whatever other font you want to use in here. And to launch our website, all you have to do is go back to the preview section and just click publish here. And you can type in your custom URL. So right now our website is called Boston Align. So it's going to have this lovable.app URL. And this is just going to be the free way to have our website launched for people to be able to search our website online. If you have a custom URL or custom domain, like a .com domain that you want to connect to, all you have to do is go to edit domain or add a custom domain. You click that. You can connect if you have already bought your domain on like GoDaddy or Namecheap or any other domain registries, you can connect your domain. If you haven't bought domain yet, you can also purchase one directly with Lovable. So it's going to be anywhere from like $10 to $30 for the entire year. So after that, we can publish our website and we can preview it live in just a few seconds. So now our website is published live, as you can see here with this green icon. And you can also track the different visitors, page views with your website. You can see the countries, the source, the pages they view on, and then you can also have a place to and you can go through and test your website now. You can click all the buttons and make sure that they are working. So right now you can see that they're going to the correct places. And if you also want to, for example, want to add another section here that want to have a contact form, we can just go in and type in that, ask it create a contact form. Put this under the booking section and submit that. So I like using the voice function, so I don't have to spend minutes or time typing. I just have to speak directly, and it's gonna be able to transcribe and add everything that I want to add directly into my website. So click allow. So as you can see now, we now have the finished contact form. So people can type in their name, email, phone number, and also a message to send to us. And when they send this, it's going to be stored directly into our Lovable account here. You can be able to track the different, like if you click this cloud button here, you can see the different signups and users. So everybody who fills out our form, we're going to have all the information here. We're going to everybody who signs up through our form, we're going to have their information in a safe place on our website dashboard. So just like that, we've been able to create a chiropractor website for a women-owned business in Boston. You can literally adjust each section on this website by just chatting with the widget here, and it's going to be able to edit the website and add the elements you want to add or remove any of the elements you don't like. And you can have a website done in under 30 minutes, and it's going to be live and ready to launch. If you found this helpful, I have a website checklist that you can download for free to see all the different sections to include on your website, and you can find it for free in the descriptions below. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want me to build anything else, just type in the comments and I'll do that for you. All right, see you on the next one.